Hello, Victor. You are Managing Director for Renishaw Iberica. What's your expertise?
Right. Well, I joined Renishaw 27 years ago. And yes, I'm Managing Director of our Iberian subsidiary, but I have other responsibilities among the years, combined with this one, which is I have been working as President of Latin America. More recently, I have been working as Director of our Additive Manufacturing Products Division in the EMEA region. And currently, for the last year and a half, I'm also President of Renishaw in France. So our business is still, the core of our business is still industrial metrology, but we are also very active in additive manufacturing in the metal worlds. But we also we have activity in Raman spectroscopy and surgical robotics. So I think it's fair to say that our expertise lies in understanding the challenges of our customers and advising how to improve the manufacturing processes by adopting our technologies.
How long have you been working with Metrologic?
Wow. Both Renishaw France and Renishaw Iberica were established back in 1990, and we have been collaborating for as long as I remember.
What kind of characteristics and performance Revo and PH20 heads have?
Both heads add 5-axis technology to the CMM machines with unrevolved part axis, with the use of very long style line at a very high speed, and all of that without compromising the accuracy of the measurements. PH20 offers us what we call rapid head touches, which is touch trigger points, which is aimed for the inspection of prismatic parts with lots of features. Whereas Revo allows us to do scanning, but also integrate other technologies such as surface finish measurements, which obviously give us a lot of benefits by using only one platform instead of different technologies.
Okay. Silma X4 is fully compatible with Revo and PH20 heads. What benefits do you see in offline programming before execution? Okay.
Programming offline obviously gives us the opportunity to improve the programs while we are not spending the time at the machine. We allow the machine to keep inspecting, which is what we need. So all in all, it's a benefit in terms of productivity.
What kind of performance do you see with the Revo and PH20 heads controlled by Metrologic X4?
Well, typically you have time savings in the range of 20 to up to 70%. The more complex a part, the greater the time saving. We have cases when you have a program typically with 20 hours, that with Revo you can reduce down to 2 or 3.
Is it correct to say that Metrologic X4 is giving the opportunity to use all capacities, Renishaw heads, high potential?
Yes, so far what has been integrated is our RSP2 probe, the RSP3 probe as well. The surface finish probe is already integrated as well. And right now the engineers here at Metrologic are working on the integration of what we call the ultrasonic probe, and also one of our optical probes, in this case the fringe probe.
What are the benefits in terms of speed and productivity?
Well, speed, as I said earlier, you can go really up to 70%, which is amazing savings, you consider. But it's also very important, the possibility to add other functionality to the platform. So you end up having different technologies, just combining one platform with all the savings that this means, from footprint in your shop floor or your lab, also labor, less need to have more operators, and obviously all the costs associated to the maintenance of these machines.
How would you define your relationships with the Metrologic Group teams?
Well, we have definitely welcomed the opportunity to help the engineers here to start integrating all our 5-axis technology into X4, and we will continue to work together to give all this to customers.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much for your collaboration for this interview.